Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Zara Kashi. In case if you're new here, oh my god, thank you so much for coming around. Do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so as to be the first to know each time I upload a new video. So guys, in today's video is all about market vlog. Okay, I'll be going to the market today. I have a list of things I want to buy for this Christmas. I want to buy rice, semo, tea, oil, tomatoes. I mean the carton of tomatoes, the sachet ones. I need to buy it and other stuff, crayfish. So guys, I want you guys to come around with me guys. Let's know the price of food stuff in the market. All right, stick around. So guys, I forgot to tell you guys that I'm going with my daughter. Baby, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. She will be coming along with me, okay? So guys, let's get going. Michelle dear. Hi. It's not sunny, but it's hot. So guys, I'm here in the shop. So I want to buy a cap. This one there, let me turn the camera. This one is not brand. What is this one? Is that the last price? What's the 15,000 naira? I know. Let's say 75. Okay, so I'll be buying it. We have Empower oil. Yes. So guys, I'm looking for where to buy some. So still stick around with me, okay? And see the bag of half bag of rice is now 17.5. The bag is 38,000 naira according to the guy. So I've already paid for the rice, so I kept it there. Let me buy some other things before going back to that shop. This one is how much? This one here. 3.5. 3.5. This one. I'm recording this already. Don't worry. Eh? This one is how much? 3.5. Eh? 3.5. 3.5. This big one is how much? 6, 7. This one, I've used this one before, but I haven't used this one. How much is this one? This big one. I haven't used this brand before, and it's wheat. 100% wheat. Like I should take this one. Okay, let me just go for this one. How much last? 6.7 last. No discount. You have to give me discount. I cannot pay 6.7. Why are you smiling? Fine gear. So guys, I'm buying the one of 6.7. Okay. So I want for the POS person to come so that I can withdraw and pay for it. Okay, I'm going for this one because I have used it before. I haven't used other ones before. So let me just buy what I know. So here is the money. And the tomato, the tasty tom. Do you know is how much?
4.2.
Tasty tom.
4.1.
I've used this gin.
That one is plain gin. This one is the one with pepper and
no, I don't need pepper and onion. Let me take tasty tom. Let me try that one. So are you using POS?
No.
Any place I can withdraw? I don't know what they do.
Yeah.
This kitchen glory. Fish. And for you. Come on, get me for you. Here go. The big one. Hey. Here go. How much? 450. Okay. Open here. Name a video in the person. Market vlog. This chicken, no. One other one. Not making. This one or plain, as in a bowl with any pepper or onions. This one. So guys, it rained and we sweat as well, so we are all messed up, so we decided to freshen up before we continue the video. So guys, now I'll go ahead and show you guys everything that I got today. I also bought some other stuff that I didn't show you guys because of the rain. So now I'll go ahead and show you everything that I got. Okay, so guys, these are the things that I got. Okay, I got this. These designer foot cream. How much? Okay, this one is 2009. Got it. Also this small mirror. This small mirror is 1,250. 1,250. This one. Okay, this one is crayfish. This one goes for 2,500. This small thing was 2,500. I got this digestive chocolate. So this one goes for 950. This biscuit I used to buy it 609. Now it's 950. Okay, I got this seed. This stainless seed. This one is 2,700, right? Yes. I got this for 2007. And also this tonic stick. This tonic stick goes for 600 now. Just like it's so fancy, so I got it 600. Okay, you guys know about the rice 17.5, right? This one 6.7, right? If I'm not mistaken. Okay, I got this oil. This one is 7.5. Oh my mistake. I don't know anything. Okay. Condiments that I got. Okay, this for you. I love this thing so much. I like it so much. This one 450, 600 or so. I don't remember, but I mentioned the price while I was there. And this one as well. And the condiments that I got. Okay, and now this thing. Tomatoes. You should stop that. And these tomatoes, here it is. That's all that I got today. I also needed to buy some other stuff. I wanted to buy some other stuff, but I don't know how to carry them, so I have to pause for that one next time. Okay, so guys, that's all that I got today. That's all that I got today at the market. So guys, see, everything is now costly. As you can see, last time I got this half bag of rice was 13,000 something. Now it's 17.5. You can imagine the increment. So everything is now costly. That's how we see it here in Nigeria. So, but by the grace of God, we're gonna survive it, right? We almost survive it. Okay guys, Misha, come and say hello. Say hello, my baby girl. Baby Misha, say hello. Say hello, baby Misha. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So guys, if you did like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to know each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Remain blessed.